Shopify POS is an innovative point-of-sale solution designed to simplify and streamline the sales process in retail stores. With an intuitive and easy-to-use interface, Shopify POS enables customers to pay quickly and securely with a variety of different payment methods. Now, jewelry store owners can benefit from the powerful features such as real-time inventory tracking and order management. Cash register synchronization, customer profiles, robust analytics, and more. Shopify POS also offers comprehensive customization options so you can tailor the system to your specific jewelry store's needs. To ask a Shopify POS expert specific questions about your particular situation, click on the link in the description. Shopify POS helps jewelry store owners easily manage their inventory and ensure accurate tracking of items. With its powerful cloud-based inventory system, jewelry stores can quickly check stock availability in store, online, and across all sales channels. This allows them to make sure they always meet customer orders on time and also avoid costly overstocks or stock outs. Additionally, Shopify POS's efficient order fulfillment process means customers make their purchases quickly while keeping staff's workload to a minimum. Shopify POS provides comprehensive customer profiles that store owners can use to track customers' purchasing habits, preferences, and their satisfaction. This data enables store owners to tailor their promotions and services more efficiently, ensuring that customers have the best experience possible. Additionally, Shopify POS's unified analytics dashboard facilitates businesses of any size with a streamlined view of important metrics and ensures effective decision making. With access to up-to-date information, jewelry store owners can make data-driven decisions to drive sales and maximize their profits. Shopify POS helps jewelry store owners improve their customer service by streamlining processes and reducing customer wait times. By enabling customers to purchase items with their credit cards or their NFC-enabled devices, store owners can process payments quickly with enhanced security. This, in turn, increases customer satisfaction since they don't have to wait long periods just to check out. Additionally, Shopify POS's order management and fulfillment capabilities allow jewelry stores to track orders efficiently and ensure timely delivery of customer orders. Additionally, Shopify POS simplifies inventory management and provides real-time visibility into product availability. With its integration with leading mobile e-commerce platforms and POS systems, store owners can access up-to-date product information from anywhere they're at. This helps businesses track stock accurately and meet customer demand quickly, resulting in happy customers and increased sales. That's what we're looking for here. Furthermore, Shopify POS allows jewelry stores to manage their online presence with custom websites that are tailored to meet their specific needs. And lastly, Shopify POS is user-friendly and easy to use, kind of the same thing. It offers an intuitive dashboard and customizable reports that provide owners with important insights into their store performance. They can also track sales trends in different markets, identify best-selling items that they should get more of, and analyze customer purchasing habits for better decision-making, propelling you into the future. Overall, the platform helps jewelry store owners save time and increase productivity by streamlining their business operations. Go ahead and click the link in the description down there if you want to get your jewelry store questions answered for using Shopify POS. We'll see you there.